Jai Shri Krishna. Welcome to DGVaishnav College, and I congratulate the first year students. You have joined the right institution for your better future. I congratulate the PG Department of Journalism for completing 100th episode of JMC News Bulletin, and I hope that it will go on and on and on and create history. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. DGVaishnav College have conducted Deeksharambh, a student induction program from July 30th onwards. This program was conducted from 3rd July 2023 to 15th July 2023. We have called the eminent personalities from various fields, and they have given lectures to the students about their own experience and also their students' life. And also the students were given ice break session. During the ice break session, various events were being conducted in order to control their emotions, and also in order to improve their physical activities. Various events were conducted. The IQAC of DGVaishnav College have planned this program very effectively, and it have reached all the students very successfully. And the students also have given a feedback stating that these type of programs is very helpful for them to move from school to college. Happy day. Thank you.
Hi, this is Nimita from first BA Journalism.
நான் கிரிஷா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர் பிஏ ஜர்னலிசம்.
Hi, my name is Reese, a first year BA journalism student.
வணக்கம், நான் ஹர்னி BA Journalism first year படிக்கிறேன்.
Hello, myself Kritika, BA Journalism first.
Is by Shruti ma'am, RJ Shruti ma'am, which is about self-confidence, and she taught us how to present ourselves in a crowded place and how to be attractive in a group of people.
செகண்ட் செஷன் வந்து நாங்கள் துவாரகா ஆடிட்டோரியம் போனோம். அங்கே வந்து வேரியஸ் கிளப்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பற்றி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. அதில் வந்து என்சிசி, என்எஸ்எஸ், வைஷ்ணவ் இன்ஸ்டியூட் ஆஃப் எக்ஸலன்ஸ், அப்புறம் ஸ்ரீநாத் ஃபைன் ஆர்ட்ஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இன்ஸ்டியூட் ஆஃப் இன்னோவேஷன் அண்ட் கிரியேஷன், நிறைய கிளப்ஸ் இருந்தது. எல்லா கிளப்ஸுமே எனக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இருந்தது. ஈவன் லைப்ரரி கூட இருந்தது NDL லைஃப், விச் வாஸ் ரியலி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல். ஏன்னா புக்ஸ் படிக்கிறதுக்கு எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும், அதனால் லைப்ரரி போகலான்னு. மற்றபடி எல்லாத்துலேயுமே போகணுன்ற ஒரு ஆர்வமும் ஆசையும் நிறைய இருந்துச்சு.
அண்ட் ஃபோர்த் டே அது வந்து எனக்கு எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணாங்க. அண்ட் எல்லாமே வந்து ரியலாக பார்க்குற மாதிரி இருந்துச்சு. அது வந்து நிறைய எனக்கு எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எனக்கு ஒரு நம்பிக்கை. அது ஒரு பெரிய எக்ஸாம்பிளாக நான் வந்து கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டாக நின்று பேசினேன். ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் திஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. அண்ட்
The second session was held in Dwarika Auditorium, where we got to know about the marking scheme, exam pattern, and also the evaluation of paper.
I would like to thank the department for organizing such an engaging session, and I would also like to thank, on behalf of all the first year students, the management, the secretary, the principal, and the IQAC. Thank you.
Thank you. On behalf of the IQAC, DGVC, we thank the Department of Journalism for covering this exclusively a report for Deeksharambh 2023 Student Induction Program for the first years. We are very happy to say this year we did this Deeksharambh program in a very massive scale, covering of 3,200 students from almost 35 programs. Students has been split into various batches and they got oriented with their chief guest address, where principal gave a special talk, secretary gave a special talk. Each section we requested this motivational speaker to address the students. The main, they educated about institution strength. They know their values now. We can proudly say, as part of DGVC, they will definitely grow along with our institution. We wish the journalism department for taking this initiative, and on behalf of the IQAC, we personally thank the entire crew for making this to be showcased to all the members. Thank you all.